Behold, the periodic table, the wonders and the basis of all of our study of chemical science. Here we have the alkali metal lithium, atomic number 3, and we all know that it reacts violently when exposed to water. It will smoke and pop and sputter around upon the surface of the water. Moving down the family, we have atomic number 11, sodium. Sodium will have an even more violent reaction with water, even producing a small flame. As we continue down the family to potassium, atomic number 19, you know that the reaction becomes even more violent, producing pops and sparks and even a small explosion. The last 3 members of the family, rubidium, cesium, and francium, all produce extremely violent reactions and are rarely seen in any chemical laboratory. What would happen if we saw a cesium reaction?
This metal, and there's the first drop is right there, and you can see the oil there, and now I'm going to have a little bit larger drop right there, one right there. Now this is oil coming off, and here's another drop of the metal. Come on out one more time. Okay. Now those are some extremely small drops. We're talking the size probably of a 100th or a 1,000th of a milliliter. Very, very small amount. Now watch what happens. And the problem is we've got a lot of oil in there, so we have to get the oil off the surface first. But watch what happens as we drop even a small drop of water on this metal. See the spark there? Just a very small drop, and we get huge sparks. Good. Remember how long it took for lithium, sodium, potassium to catch on fire? This catches on fire. We're not talking about dropping it in a bathtub full of water. We're only talking about putting a very small amount of water on it, and it's actually, look at that, one small drop and it catches on fire. I mean, it is really kind of amazing that we actually have this stuff. And notice that they're very small drops, and they're actually in the oil solution. I'm going to try and get some more of this metal out of this container. Now we have a little bit larger area, but it's still in very, very small pieces. With one drop of water. That's one drop of water. And now the metal is right there. There's a whole bunch of the metal. All the oil has been burned away. Watch what happens now as I put another drop on. Now, the interesting part we did last time. Did you see that? Because